Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking about putting foliage inside the vase. Yes, we teach you, don't put greens in your water, keep it clean, but tea leaves or aspidistra leaves, hard foliage, can go inside and it doesn't hurt anything. To do it though, you need to remove the midrib in the back. That's so stiff it won't curl nicely. So if you just take your knife and cut down and then remove the stem, do the same thing on aspidistra, just carving it down a bit and removing. Once that's done, you can just reach in and wrap, and it will nestle right against the vessel without any problem because you don't have that stiff midrib down the center.